Stop saying delicious, delicious now. Today I am going to introduce you some words regarding delicious. First of all, scrumptious, खुश ज़ायक़ा. This cake is scrumptious. I want to eat another piece. Delectable, मज़ेदार. The restaurant serves delectable food. Everything is good. Appetizing, भूख आवर, भूख लगाने वाला. Your dessert look appetizing. I should have ordered the same. Tasty, मज़ेदार. This is very tasty ice cream. You should have some. Flavorful, खुश ज़ायक़ा. और flavorful, both pronunciations are correct. Her food is always very flavorful. She cooks with strong spices. Mouth watering, मुंह में पानी लाने वाला. Your sandwich is mouth watering. It looks so delicious. Delish, my banana split is delish. It is a great treat for summer day. Yummy, the ice cream store makes yummy homemade ice cream. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe Absar Teach.